Погодка, конечно. Ну, мы вроде особо не пострадали, но вот это... Лепешка.
Moscow, April 27th. The Hydrometeorological Center has issued an orange weather warning for Moscow and the Moscow region, the second highest level, due to sleet, snow, ice, and wind gusts expected to reach 23 to 25 meters per second.
Весна к нам пришла. Ну, как машина засыпала снегом.
In Moscow, an orange weather warning for snow and ice will be in effect until 9 p.m. on Monday. Heavy accumulations of wet snow on power lines and trees, heavy rainfall, mainly sleet, and slippery roads are expected throughout the day. A similar warning has been issued for the Moscow region until 3 a.m. on April 28th.
Атмосферного воздуха у нас продолжается, там работают люди, вот очищают машины, неожиданно свои. Вот следите за новостями.
In addition, strong winds of up to 23 meters per second are expected throughout the day in Moscow and the Moscow region, with gusts of up to 25 meters per second. A heavy snow and ice warning remains in effect for the Moscow region, with a yellow weather warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. on April the 28th. Snow and sleet are expected in Moscow throughout the day. Between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m., rainfall is expected to reach 10 millimeters, with a temporary snow cover of up to 3 centimeters. Rainfall is expected to continue overnight and into Tuesday, with up to 6 millimeters expected, according to the Hydrometeorological Center. Snow, sleet, and occasional sleet are expected in Moscow this afternoon. Daytime temperatures will range between 2 and 4 degrees Celsius. No significant weather changes are expected overnight and into Tuesday. Snow and sleet are also expected, with total rainfall of 3 to 6 millimeters and snow thickness reaching 4 centimeters. Maximum temperatures are expected to range between -1 and +1 degrees Celsius. The heaviest rainfall will begin around 3 p.m. on Monday and continue until midnight, with up to 10 millimeters of rainfall expected, of which 4 millimeters will fall between 6 and 9 p.m. Below normal temperatures will persist in the Moscow region until the end of April. A slight increase is expected over the weekend, with temperatures reaching 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the start of next week will be cold, with temperatures 6 degrees below normal. Lyudmila Parshiana, a principal researcher at Russia's Hydrometeorological Center, told Interfax. The weather is not very encouraging. At the very least, it is expected to be cold and below normal, Parshina said.
Лепешка.
She clarified that temperatures on April 25th will be 4 degrees below normal. At night, there will be mostly no precipitation, with temperatures ranging from -1 to +1 degrees Celsius in Moscow and between -3 and +2 degrees Celsius in the surrounding regions. During the day, the weather will be partly cloudy, with temperatures in Moscow reaching 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, and in the surrounding regions between 5 and 10 degrees Celsius. On Sunday, a cyclone from the Baltic Sea will approach the Moscow region, bringing back cloudy weather with light rain throughout the night. Temperatures in Moscow will rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius overnight, while in the surrounding areas they will range between 0 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius, but winds will increase to 12 meters per second. During the day, the weather will be cloudy with rain expected most of the day. Temperatures will reach 9 to 11 degrees Celsius in Moscow and 6 to 11 degrees Celsius in the surrounding areas. Although temperatures will rise, they will still be 1 to 2 degrees Celsius below normal. At the beginning of next week, Parshina clarified, the cyclone will be just north of Moscow. Winds have shifted from south to west, with gusts reaching 15 to 20 meters per second on Monday. Monday night will be cloudy, with light to moderate precipitation in places, mostly rain. Temperatures will range between 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, with temperatures across the region ranging from -2 to +3 degrees Celsius. During the day, cloudy skies will be accompanied by rain and sleet. Temperatures will remain below 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, with temperatures across the region expected to be between 1 to 6 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, the cyclone affecting Moscow's weather will continue to move north. It will be cloudy, with occasional rain showers possible. Temperatures will range from -2 degrees Celsius to +3 degrees Celsius at night, and between 2 degrees Celsius and +7 degrees Celsius during the day. On April 28th, temperatures will be 6 degrees below normal, bringing us back to early April, Parshina said. On Wednesday, April 29th, it will be partly cloudy with light rain, with nighttime temperatures between -3 and +2 degrees, and daytime temperatures between +3 and +8 degrees, also 6 degrees below normal. No warming is expected on the last day of April. April 30th will be partly cloudy with light rain showers. Nighttime temperatures will range between -3 and +2 degrees Celsius, and daytime temperatures between 3 and +8 degrees Celsius, Parshina said.